This video is going to show you how to make fried zucchini. First, I peeled, took the seeds out, and ground up 2 medium zucchinis to make 3 cups of ground zucchini. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of onion, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix that up. If you don't have a food processor to grind up your zucchini, you can always do it the old-fashioned way with one of these, if you have one. See how it has different sides for different grading? This shreds it. This pretty much makes it like this, like minced. So you use this side, then you don't need a food processor. You can just do it the old-fashioned way and cut it that way. I used a food processor because I got a little baby one and it does just fine. You don't need a giant one, just something to shred up a couple cups of whatever you're doing, whether it be zucchini or nuts or whatever you need to grind up. Works perfect. Once you get the zucchini, salt, Parmesan cheese, and onion mixed up here, then you add 1½ cups of flour, all-purpose flour, into there, and just mix all that up. You want it the consistency of a pancake mix because you're going to fry it in a skillet. So you need a fairly big skillet like I have here. I'm going to fry it in margarine, but if you have bacon grease, it's even better if you fry it in bacon grease. Gives it extra flavor. But I don't have any right now, so we're going to just use margarine. So once it's all mixed up really well, I'm going to get all the flour out of the bottom. Zucchini gives off a lot of liquid, a lot of water, so the more you mix it, see how it gets nice and smooth. Then we're going to fry it till it's golden brown, and then it'll be ready to eat. Sort of like the same principle of potato pancakes. So once you get it all nice and mixed up like that, then we're going to put our skillet on the stove, get it warmed up, put it on medium heat, a little bit of butter in it, let the butter melt first, and we're going to fry up our zucchini. Once you get your pan hot, then start putting some of your zucchini mix in. I use an ice cream scoop, scoop it in there. And this recipe will make 6 nice zucchini pancakes. Add a little more of that guy. Okay, then you just wait till they're golden brown on one side and flip them over, just like you do a pancake. You don't want your heat too high. Put it on medium heat and wait for them to get brown along the edges before you flip them. Okay, and we'll just wait for them to get brown on the edges, and then we'll flip them over. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes before it's brown enough for you to turn them. You don't want to turn them too soon. See, they're not even brown yet on the bottom. You don't want to turn them too soon, then they'll fall apart. So be patient, let them sit there, let them cook. Okay, once they get a little brown on the first side, we flip them over. Let them sit for 2 or 3 minutes on the next side, and then we'll flip them again. You want to leave them for 2 to 3 minutes, and then flip them, leave them 2 to 3 minutes. So you're constantly flipping them so they don't get burnt, but they get done on both sides. See how each time you flip them, they get a little more golden. You want them golden all the way on both sides to make sure the zucchini is done all the way through. Our zucchini pancakes are nice and brown now. That's the way you want them. And now you can just take them out and serve. You can eat them plain, or you can put whatever kind of condiment you want on top of them. Whatever you put on a potato pancake, or even if you want to eat them like a pancake and put syrup on them, it's up to you, however you want to do it. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for a new way to have pancakes, the zucchini way.